Okay, this is Red Owl from Red Owl Creations, and I'm back again to discuss city gardening. Now, if you're new to this channel, I I do multiple things on this channel. I do a little bit of gossiping, so-called gossiping. Okay, we'll call it commentary on other content creators' channels, and I have a separate playlist for that. I also do gardening. I have a separate playlist for that. And I also do a bit of gambling. I have a separate playlist for that. So please pick what you like. And let me not forget, I do some crafting as well. And I have a separate playlist for that. So please check out the channel, check out the playlist, pick the one you're interested in. You don't have to watch gambling if you don't like gambling. You can watch all the city garden and things that I do just randomly about my life. But today I am showing you my city garden from beginning to where it's at now. I have fruit already and I have veggies. Now we have to just pull this all the way into harvest season, which is in September, which is in the fall. Let's do it. Let's take a look. Here is planting season. This is what the pot looks like now. They're trying to grow out of it. I gotta find somewhere to put these at. Cucumbers and arugula. We have string beans. We have, that's cucumbers and arugula again, microgreens. Let's see what else. Okay. We have carrots and onions in that gray pot. City gardening. This is where we are now. See those flowers? That's cucumbers. That's more cucumbers. That's tomatoes. And we got spinach in that little pot right there. We have more carrots over there and peppers. Carrots, onions in this pot. And this thing going crazy is the green beans. It's green string beans rather. We got micro greens in here. We just put worm castings in these to feed them. So it's covering the microgreens right now. Now let's see what we got on this porch here. This is the watermelon, radishes, lettuce, radishes. I think this is a radish as well. Oh, and here we go with the ginger. Ginger. You see that ginger nub sticking up. This is honeydew melon. We don't have any flowers on that, but I just got a whiff of that ginger. Yeah, so basically all I did was I just started. Just put the seeds in cups. You know. Actually my son put the seeds in the cups. He told me they were there. I came out and watered them. They were in another container to keep in the humidity. In a couple of days, they had sprouted, and then I moved them to pots. So let's see the watermelon now. Got a whiff of that ginger. It smells good. Let's take a look at our watermelon here. We got 3 watermelons coming up now. Let's hope we can maintain them. Well, we got more than 3, but we have 3 that have taken hold very well. We have, there's one there. Where's that other one? Where's that other one? Right there. And we got, here's the other one. We got another slightly big one right there. You see that? This is the city garden now. I'm going to show you where this started, and I'm going to show you where we're at now. Let's not forget this big, beautiful, luscious apple tree that's full of apples. Get this big, beautiful, luscious apple tree that's full of apples. We got more than 100 apples on. Thanks for watching. I appreciate you all. I'm grateful for you all. Until we see each other again on this beautiful YouTube app, peace.